did today. Once again, welcome aboard the flight captain. Just about getting ready to go. Our different flight times today is estimated to be 2 hours. Direction you're from, please right turn after departure. About 3:30.
快乐，
快乐，
中秋节快乐，
中秋节快乐，
中秋节，
中秋节快乐，
中秋，
中秋
秋，
秋。Oh, I thought you were saying 秋。
没有秋，
中秋，中秋节快乐，
水，中秋节快乐，
中秋节快乐。
What's up, beautiful people?
What's up, guys?
Today we're really excited because it is Mid-Autumn Moon Festival,
Heck
and
yeah.
this is a day we love celebrating every year, and so it's super, super special to us. We're gonna be making some authentic Chinese food,
and dumplings.
Dumpling, fish.
Dumplings are the big one, guys.
All kinds of good stuff.
Stephen and Penelope are gonna do the whole fish. We've done that in the past,
We have.
and so they're gonna be kind of tackling that. We're all gonna be doing some dumplings and some noodles,
Yeah.
and then we have the moon cakes, which are really special that we're gonna be having with some tea. And guys, it's been raining for days and days, and just now
It just cleared up.
it
Just for
stopped
us.
raining. It's supposed to be not raining this evening, at least for a few hours, so we're hoping we're gonna be able to go outside and sit underneath the moon with our moon cakes and our lanterns and all that fun stuff that we do every year. So we're really excited. Lincoln is down for a nap, so we need to wake him up, but the kids just got home from school.
Yeah.
And so we're super excited. You're excited, Kira?
I'm so excited.
So excited. She's eating a
She's
little
got
after
an
school
apple.
snack.
She's like, this is amazing.
Guys, we just got a bunch of stuff from our farmer. We've showed you this in the past, but we have been ordering from the farmer's market that they deliver to our door. And so this time we got some produce, we got some apples.
Those are so
some,
good.
These eggs are kicking grass, guys.
That's a kick in grass. That's hilarious. And some fresh okra, which we love to have with hummus. The kids love to dip okra into hummus and that
Okra
kind of
is
stuff.
so good in so many ways. Like I love bindi masala. If you're like,
Yes.
like Indian food, bindi masala.
Love
like,
Indian
It's
food.
so good. It's so good dipping into hummus, or it's so good in like Cajun foods.
Yeah, he'll like
all
fry it
that.
up or saute it with onions and stuff.
Fried okra with a little ranch dressing.
So good,
Oh,
so good. But
so
today we're not doing fried okra because today we are doing all of these authentic Chinese dishes, and we're
Yes.
really excited. So we're gonna go get Lincoln up, put this stuff away, and get started on cooking. So if you guys saw last year, we got these really cute little mason jar lanterns that light up when it's dark.
They only
And
have
so-
one wood.
Well, the other ones are turned off. I turned that one on because
Oh.
it has the on and off switch.
Oh, okay.
But then it's censored by light. So once it gets dark, it actually turns on. So that'll be really fun for the kids to kind of carry around outside
What?
tonight
This is
with our
called-
moon cake.
like
This is a clock.
we were like
This is
doing
a
like
clock. Imagine.
You have to turn the switch on inside.
Imagine.
Imagine.
Yeah. We should do like
That's so
a.
cool. I can just see the kids just running around in the backyard playing with those and oh my god. Yeah, those are always fun, so I'm so glad we were able to find them. We were actually panicking because I ordered some more because I couldn't find them.
Right.
And then that package got lost in the mail. I got a notification that it was gone, and so then I was really sad, but we found them, so I'm super excited.
Chapstick?
Oh yeah, so another thing is that I ordered some chopsticks for the kids, and the girls got some cute little girly ones.
Those are cool, man.
This how.
It's got a little box to go with it. She could take it to school.
It's so if you're having like a gender reveal party.
Oh, I think I got the blue one for Penelope because she likes blue, and Kira likes pink.
That's exactly what she said. She saw this and she goes, "Oh, I love blue so much."
Yeah.
Blues is my favorite color.
Yeah.
Oh.
Isn't that cute, guys?
How they'll look like.
So we can use those today, but then you can like pack them in your lunchbox for school and all that.
And then for the boys and me.
Yeah, and then for the boys, we got some more of these light up lightsaber ones. They thought those were so cool. They used them as toys forever and ever, and so we ended up like losing and breaking most of them.
Yeah.
So I got another package for them, but I feel like that's gonna be really fun for them to enjoy eating their meal with.
So fun.
How cool is that, guys? They light up.
These are cool. They're a little heartier and heftier than the last
Yeah, it's a different brand.
one. Yeah, I like
And they've got different colors. Oh my.
Kira, I am your father.
the right outfit on for the Autumn Moon Festival, guys.
Yeah. He's so proud of himself.
Yeah, you should
We
be.
got all dressed up.
Oh,
Had a good nap time. We're ready for a snacky and then making some dumplings. Yeah. Yum.
It's good?
Yay. So Miss Penelope has her gloves on so her hands don't get messy because you guys know she does not like her hands to get messy.
I don't, I never
Get
do.
that for you.
So Stephen bought her these lovely gloves. It's like a box of 500
Like
of
my
them.
birthday present?
Yeah, she literally said that.
Birthday, it's just
She
for
said, would you get me some gloves? I'm like, we can do that.
Like, I know a lot of people like say this smells so bad, but for us family, no, this is totally like, doesn't smell anything worse.
Yeah, I don't think it smells bad.
It smells good and then you taste it, it's good.
Yeah,
You try
I'll
it?
try it, yeah.
Here, you wanna try it?
Sure.
Here.
It does taste really
Yum.
It's sweet though.
It's
like,
sweet. It's not like mango, but it's kind of like
It's mango-ish, you know?
yeah.
Really good.
That's good.
Take this one. You see there? I know.
I think it's really good.
Oh,
It smells like a mixture of mango and lychee.
I don't smell
Oh, yeah.
I can see that.
What do you guys smell
And it
like?
tastes like a mixture of mango and
I was gonna
lychee
say,
also.
I think the flavor is kind of a mixture too.
The mixture is the flavor and the smell.
Yeah, it's pretty good. So guys, we picked up a bunch of stuff from the Asian market and we wanted to show you we're going to be making the dumplings from scratch, basically scratch. We've got the wrappers here, but we do that every year. Penelope got a whole fish here and last year Stephen and Penelope boiled one, right? Or
Yeah, we
steamed
did.
one.
That was a
Did
good
you
one.
steam it or boil it?
We
baby.
boiled it.
Hi. Did you have your snack time?
We boiled it in like a really spicy sauce with
Yeah.
mushrooms and all kinds
And
of
this
good-
side.
Yes.
This.
Yes, so we've got some spicy sauce here that we're gonna stir fry the
I know.
fish and some vegetables.
And when you do the fish, this thing can go with the fish.
Yeah, the mushrooms here.
Yeah,
We got
the mushrooms.
some things of these little mushrooms. We've got
Little
some
bok choy.
baby bok choy and the bean sprouts. We really like those
And
too.
this tofu.
Oh, is that tofu? Okay. And then this year, guys, we decided to go ahead and purchase the japchae noodles instead of making them ourselves because we were cooking for like 4 hours last time. And it took literally the whole entire evening. So instead, we just went ahead and got these. They're really good and we'll just keep them in like the pot together and have that with the rest of our delicious ingredients here. Are you okay there? It's a little tough in the middle, huh? Ooh. Yeah, Lincoln. Oh, baby. Lincoln's got some allergies, guys. I don't know if you can tell. He's got a bit of a runny nose and like itchy eyes. He keeps rubbing his eyes. Thank you. I'll take the phone. Yes, baby. And I don't know what it is. We've had a ton of rain, so it might be something due to that. But we do have a few things of frozen dumplings that we wanted to try. Steven wanted to try the soup dumplings here. Those are one of his favorites. I don't know if we've tried this brand, but he loves soup dumplings. And then these look really good as well. So we are going to make all of those along with our other delicious items. Typically we also buy like these egg custard buns that are the kids' absolute favorite, and we have not been able to find them here in Nashville, and so we weren't able to do that this year. But Penelope did pick up some of these from World Market that looked kind of interesting, kind of like a sweet little mochi rice cake is what it says. And so we're gonna try that. And we did get some more of the same moon cakes that we got last time. They're like black sesame. They were a little bit sweeter and milder, and the kids really liked them. So that's what we're gonna do this year for the moon cakes. You ready to say bye? We're gonna eat some food, buddy. Hey guys, who is ready to make some dumplings? You wanna make some dumplings? Let's do it. Are we gonna have a contest this year again like we normally do to see who can make the most or who can make the most unique?
Probably not.
Penelope.
because I'll win. And-
You'll win this year?
Yeah.
I'd love to see that. That'd be pretty intense.
Who's gonna win?
Who's gonna win?
Penelope.
Penelope, because she's an expert dumpling maker.
She makes.
You guys are all pretty good though.
I make weird designs.
Yeah, you make really unique ones because you're an artist. That's why. Okay guys, let's wash our hands and let's come make some dumplings. Wow guys, you got it all. That's so cool.
I'm getting the big pods out and she's cleaning the pods up.
Nice.
So it makes
Look
her
at
nice.
how interesting that looks on the inside.
Yeah.
It's such an interesting fruit. And this is literally only half of a jackfruit.
Yeah,
I know. These things are huge.
they're huge.
Crazy.
guys, look at these flowers that Amanda picked out. I'm just always so blown away at how thoughtful she is about planning stuff like this, like big days, big celebrations. Like, she's always got a way of finding just the right thing.
Aren't they the perfect
They're
fall
so
flowers?
pretty.
It's such a pretty collection.
I
It's like
love it.
all the perfect colors mixed together.
It's so fall.
I like the orange ones.
Me too. I'm a big fan of all of them.
So I was having a hard time stirring this up, and then Mr. Chef here.
Well, she was using a fork, and I was like, that's not what you do.
Yeah, I should be
That'll
respectful
take
with
10
something.
years.
It was just really kind of firm, and Steven was like, let me show you the way to do
Well, you just gotta work
Yeah,
it.
Lincoln.
You know, wash your hands really good, work it in with your fingers, and then wash
yeah.
your hands really good again.
this. Penelope's over here cleaning the fish. Did you learn how to do this in China? Did you know how to clean fish in
No,
China?
I saw a video before.
Oh, you watched a video on it? That's
Yeah.
good. Okay, very cool. And go.
Here we go. All right.
You love the sound?
Alright. You love the sound? The sound of cooking. Aha! The spicy sauce.
It makes everything going great.
Makes everything great.
Even
Penelope
if
loves her spicy sauce.
Yeah, I do.
Mmm. Whoa.
His face is like.
Your face is lit up green.
Good.
Mom, Yoda. So good.
No.
What? That's crazy.
Guys, dinner was amazing. Penny did such a great job on the fish, and Amanda made some incredible dumpling filling and dumplings, and it was just all amazing. And we are having so much fun tonight. I think we're all pretty stuffed. You feel it? Too many noodles, too many dumplings, but there's more to come because we've got moon cakes and we've got all kinds of fun stuff and lanterns and tea, and it's just gonna be an awesome night. So
We're gonna go outside because it's not raining right now, which is super exciting. So we're gonna take everything outside and just let the kids run around in the dark with the lanterns
Yes.
and enjoy a few bites of moon cake. So it's
Heck
gonna be
yeah.
really fun.
Okay, thank you guys watching this video. And then you can tell it's like midnight. I mean, it's not midnight, but
It's late.
It's late, but and
Yeah.
then we have so much fun and then happy Festival Moon for every y'all.
Yeah, happy
then-
Moon Festival, guys.
And we're so join and hope you guys will join with us too.
Yeah,
So-
and Penelope made such good food. It was super yummy and just
Nice.
all the fun stuff, the lanterns, the moon cakes. This is such a fun celebration for us
Yes.
each year. So
I know.
it's really
so
fun.
I guess we gotta close this out. So
Yeah, we are. It's a school night.
bye.
So bye, guys. We love
you
you.
guys join this. Bye.
You guys say bye.
For your name's sake, you will lead me back home to you. God, for your name's sake, you will lead